Now I request some participants, please you log in and come forward to explain your feedback orally instead of sending the messages. Please, one or two participants or 5 to 10, please come forward and explain your feedback. So I take this opportunity to thank our registrar as he has given a wonderful session and all the participants are so happy and the session is so innovative and it has given very nice eye opening to all the participants and they are happy and the session is innovative and provided a total encouragement and created attention and created laurels to this wonderful faculty development program sponsored by All India AICTE Atal 2020 scheme. We take this opportunity to join with the director, the registrar in thanking the AICTE for sponsoring this FTP program and we have done this program at our best. And the participant, please one or two, please come forward.
All
Good
the
evening, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening.
Yeah, on behalf of the participants, I must thank you. We are really grateful to you all, respected faculty members, for giving such an excellent exposure and taking us to a higher level of learning and relearning and some bit of unlearning as well. And we are thankful that you have enriched us with your vast knowledge and inspired us to go to another level of excellency. And we look forward to your help and cooperation even in future. And we would love to be associated with you in different ways. So thank you, and we are really gratefully acknowledge all the things that you have shared with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. This is Dr. Veronica from JPR College from Chennai. Really, we are so happy on behalf of the participants. I know everybody cannot talk now, but on behalf of the participants, I would send a great thanks to the Lehapa University personals as well as the Commerce Department personals, Dr. Gurumurthy sir, and all of you. So you are so patient with us. You are encouraging us in all the sessions, and all the participants you have collected have given us a different kinds of exposure. Nobody has said the same thing or repeated the same version of leadership. Everybody has got their own skills in enthralling us with different kinds of, they have taken us to an adventurous journey. That's what I could say. It was a journey, 5 days program, and we all enjoyed the program at a very high level. And really, as sir said, you have taken us to the next level, and we will have different opinion about leadership. We all have attained a different opinion about leadership, and still we have got so much to impart the same skills to the students also. And we assure you this, the take-home session, take-home feedback is that we will definitely impart all the skills which we have learned in this 5 days program and take it to our students definitely. And one day they'll be talking about us, just like how you were talking about every professors talking about their professors and how they taught us. And this is the feedback which we are getting from you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for the arrangement.
Thank you. Thank you. This is real learning outcome. The outcome must be helpful to the next generation.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Yeah, thank you. Any other?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. S. Bharati Vasu from Anand Institute of Higher Technology, Professor of MBA Department. See, really, it is excellent session, sir, from the day 1 to day 5. And we learned how to organize an effective online FDP from your session. The resource person and all, they have delivered an excellent speech, and we have noticed all the important points as clearly pointed out the madam. The same thing, we are going to deliver for the students, and it goes like anything. So the knowledge which we learn out of your FDP, it's a great platform. The same thing we are going to share to the students. The knowledge will spread across the students community also. So thanks for organizing excellent FDP, sir. I thank and congratulate the entire organizing committee who are doing an excellent session for all 5 days. I thank all the resource person for delivering their experience in leadership and excellence. And really, we learned so many things out of the workshop. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. The entire team thanks you. Next, anybody? Next.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, welcome.
Sir, good evening. This is Dr. Karthikeyan. This is Dr. Karthikeyan, working as lecturer in PNGR Polytechnic, Rajapalayam, sir.
Yes.
From at the outset, I extend my sincere thanks to AICTE and Alagappa University for having organized such an interesting, informative FDP for the benefit of faculty members. From the day one till the last session handled by registrar, sir, all the sessions were informative, sir. We were highly impressed with the performance of all the resource persons. The resource materials given to us were exemplary. And I extend my sincere thanks to the head of the department, Commerce, Alagappa University, and all the faculty members for their untiring, selfless efforts in educating the faculty members all over India, sir. Once again, hats off to you all, those who are involved directly or indirectly in convening this FTP. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to attend this beautiful FTP organized by Alagappa University, sir. Thanks all. Thanks to one and all.
Thank you. We are so thankful.
Sir,
Yes,
Good evening, sir.
yes.
good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. This is Bhaskar from New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore.
Yes.
Actually, yes, sir. Actually, I saw this VDP. I was joined, and I saw this VDP from the past 5 days. Each and every session is different, sir. And also, what the way you are exploring the content, that is also we like it very much, sir. Really thankful for you, sir, for the committee. Everything fine. Everyone is in this FTP. They performed well, and also I got MPhil certificate. I got MPhil from our Alagappa University only. for that reason only, first I was registered. Our Alagappa University is conducting the FTP for the 5 days program. Everything is good. Nothing to say. Superb, sir. In future also, you want this type of this FTP, sir.
Yes, definitely we will conduct. So,
Yes, sir.
I thank the AICTE because their
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
this time we have
Thank you, Rista, sir. Thank you, Rista, sir. Thank you, VC, sir.
yeah, this time
Yes, sir.
we have
Everyone, sir. Thank you.
session
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you. Good point, sir.
two
Yes, sir.
sessions exclusively for yoga. Yoga to
Okay,
be included. So we
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Thank
Good
you,
evening,
sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. I am Dr. Monica from JPR Engineering College, Chennai. I am also a student of Alagappa University. And in this gesture, I would like to thank the staff of the lecture and the WhatsApp group who patiently replied to all the queries that we asked, even when it was late. So apart from all the lectures, I would like to thank all the staff who are actually encouraged us in the WhatsApp group, who patiently replied to all the queries that we asked, and they supported us when we had to submit our assignments. Thank you so much, organizing committee, and especially to you also, sir. Thank you.
Then any other participant, you are free to express your views.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, this is Vijay Deepika from Chennai, School of Management, DG Vaishnav College. I really thank the organizing committee for organizing FDP, sir, and all the 5 days. It was actually a different learning experience. As Monica ma'am told, the organizing queries, even though all of us are into teaching fraternity, faculty members, so once it's come to any assignment or anything to be submitted, so all the queries were so beautifully answered, and the organizers were very, very kind enough to take care of all our queries. And all the sessions were really very much informative, and each one of it showed the various, the various levels of where leadership actually. And we actually got to learn about the international level news on the from the research side, from the education institution side. So much of research work all the the speakers have done. So all these knowledge to be gained in 5 days. It's actually really we are honored to be a part of this FDP. And once again, I thank all the organizing members and the team of Alagappa University.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. The credit goes to the university administration. Our registrar is there. Then any other participants, you can freely express your views. You can give suggestions also for
Sir,
our.
good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, this is Dr. Yuvraj, HOD MBA from Anand Institute of Higher Technology, Chennai. Actually, all the 5 days are very informative programs, sir. Thank you. Lead all the members, all the queries quickly to solve the WhatsApp group. This is a very informative program. Thank you for all the organizing committee. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Any other members? Any other participants? Yes.
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, audible.
Yes, sir. So, sir, thank you very much. Very nice experience. I'm from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. So it's far away. So you can think that if it was offline, then I couldn't join this South Indian community, that part. So I'm really, really thankful to the COVID-19 also, this kind of opportunity that I have learned. So I'm a beginner in my career. So all the research. Basically, my background is pharmacy. So I never used to deal with any commerce or anything. So what I learned that from your experience, my appetite was that could I learn that how to kind of leaders, those who are seated in the high positions, have that capability. They must learn that there are what is the quality. Those who are seated in the higher position, they must have that quality, but they don't have that quality. So I was thinking that how to deal with that kind of leaders. What are the tricks and techniques? So it was my perception that that I should learn. But I have learned that what are the different qualities and how to manage them. So I think that is it the way that I should bear whatever they will say, whatever the rules they will say. I don't understand that thing. But I have learned a lot of things from your webinars, how to control myself. Thank you very much. So I'll request that how to control that kind of leaders actually. So that techniques and tricks we never used to get from neither the theoretical, neither from parents, neither from teachers. We never used to get this kind of thing. So I request that try to set such a webinar that people will learn that how to deal with that kind of leaders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Welcome.
Hello, sir. I am Dr. Srinivasa, Professor and Head of the Department of Mathematics, New Horizon College of Engineering. I attended this workshop, this faculty development program from 25th of this month till now. It went on well. Actually, the AICT program inaugurated by our Professor N. Rajendra, sir, Vice Chancellor of Alagappa University. It was a nice beginning. The starting session was excellent. So that way it started. So, and Professor explained everything, even including national education policy and that day one day. So till now, it went on well, and your session was also excellent. You rocked really, sir. So with that, okay, so AICT sponsor, okay, so this FDP program nicely, and you people conducted very well. Please continue like this only, and intimate us whenever you people conduct, okay, so any type of faculty development programs. Thank you very much, sir. Nice.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Then any other participants? You can freely express your views. This is your platform. Yes, yes.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I will hear. Welcome.
Yeah. Hello, sir. This is Sushil from Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology, and I'm from Hyderabad.
Yes, Hyderabad.
Yes, sir. So it's like really informative sessions, and starting from the day one till date. I thought, generally the FDPs will be like really boring, but yeah, thank you for changing my mind in the first place. And second thing is, sir, Gurumati sir, you seriously are so good at explaining things.
Yes.
I love to hear you all the time. I mean, you speak really well.
Thank you.
And yeah, as Registrar sir said, he got into from 1987 that and till date he was in the same university working from as lecturer to the registrar till date. I'm so glad to hear his experiences and also his the hurdles he faced and how he solved the issues. And it's so beautiful to listen to this wonderful lecture from you all. And thank you so much for enlightening us with so many lectures, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Any other participant?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Monica Agrawal from Sharda University, Greater Noida. This is in National Capital Region, Delhi. And it has been a wonderful journey for me. This is the first time I'm attending a FDP down towards the south. And it has been a wonderful experience because we have attended FDPs nearly from Delhi and around. So I generally teach papers of organization behavior and leadership, but this has given me a different perspective about leadership and helped me in my research and my teaching. Thanks a lot for a wonderful experience. Thanks again.
Thank you. Any other participants?
Yeah, good evening. Good evening. Can I speak?
Yes, this is speak.
Yeah, good evening. I'm Shanti. I'm her colleague. Although I belong to South, I've been here in Delhi for the past so many years. So it gives me a very different feeling, and I feel like that I'm back South to attend the FDP. And in fact, this FDP was different that, the aspect of leadership was just not got from a HR perspective, but there are many different aspects which were brought together. It was like, you say a mala in which there were different beads, the various aspects right from the legal part of it. I do come from a legal background. So it was, it was a new experience that you had incorporated certain ethical aspects to it. And in the current scenario, the ethical aspects and how a leader holds up the ethical aspects in the organization is a challenging issue. And that was one of the issues which was highlights of this FDP, I think. None of the other FDPs which I have been attending covered the aspects of ethics. And although this is a very sensitive issue, covering this aspect actually took this FDP to another level. So thank you so much for discussing these very sensitive topics. The other topic which I should really mention is the environmental protection. How a leader challenges the environmental protection. So that was another aspect which I think really, a very different aspect of this FDP. So thank you so much to the entire organizing team. And thank you once again, sir, for patiently answering all the queries in the WhatsApp group. So I think you have a lot of patience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. So that we taught ethics through yoga and yoga through ethics. So that we had a blended session.
Yes, that yoga also was a very different way of looking at things,
Yes.
So health plus wealth plus ethics. Excellent.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then any other excellent feedback. Then any other participant? This is your floor. You can come across and you can share your experience on the past 5 days.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Sir,
evening.
I'm Soham Pandey. I'm finally undergraduation student of Gurukul Kangadi Vishwavidyalaya. I'm glad that I was part of this workshop and it was very informative to me, and it's helped to me to lead leadership. And thank you.
Thank you. Any other participant? You can log in freely. You can give
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, this is Ignatius Nevis Karthika from Dindikal, sir.
Yes.
This FDP was an inspiration to people across ages. I am able to see it is a heterogeneous group from college. I think so. All age groups have participated in this FDP and were benefited. And I thank all the organizers, and my special thanks to you, dear sir, who according to me is a real leader. You are a leader, sir. You led this FDP excellently, sir. And also I thank all the speakers, the resource persons. Thank you, sir. Thank you, dear sir.
My entire team is working. My teachers, my faculty members, the entire team is working. Yes, then, another participant, please. Even in offline program, we don't get such type of participant come forward to give feedback. Online program, many number we are getting. Yes, any other participants who are welcome? You share your views.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, good evening. Can I speak, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I am Lokanathan from Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology, Tanjavur, sir.
Good.
Sir, really, it is inspired a lot, and definitely this will influence on our life, and we will improve a lot ourselves. We thought whatever we are doing for our students and staff under our department, we thought it is correct, but we came to know that we have to change ourselves a lot to improve ourselves and to improve our subordinates and students. That's very important. Really, it's a great FTB, sir. We never expected like this. Definitely, if we get a chance, I will attend one more. Your speakers very nice, sir. I didn't expect this much influence will be there on us. Thank you, sir. Thank you a lot, sir. Thank you for your leadership also, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Then so many participants are there. Yes. Any other? Shall we conclude, or any other participant who prefer to come forward to express their feedback? Hello, my dear participants. Any other? So we will conclude the session. Shall we conclude? Somebody or some waiting? Some the green lines are. Yeah. Sir, it's a yeah. Okay, we conclude. Sir, I request the director to speak few words about their feedback, then we will conclude. Sir, I request the registrar to speak few words.
Yes, sir.
You speak few words about their feedback they have given, then we conclude.
It is excellent, and the teamwork, and heads up to you and your team also, and interacting with students, updating WhatsApp group. Really, it is a wonderful network, and you have done that. Heads up to you. And all appreciation, once again, thanks to our AICTE and the Department of Commerce and all the speakers from various organizations, and spared their valuable time and interacted with you. And really, this online program helped a lot throughout the country, because from the feedback, the participant, I understand this really, though COVID-19 is a problem to us, but this online FD program, because of the pandemic, is really helpful in meeting all the people, sharing the ideas, doing work. Anyway, so we are
the yoga,
yoga, particularly yoga, that these opportunities are made. Really. So all the students, participants, they given good feedback. And as I noticed that a heterogeneous group, really, there is also another thing. And you made it live all the 5 days. Really. So once again, I appreciate all the participants and thankful for them. And I appreciate all the speakers and I'm thankful for them, and all the department faculty, including you and the team, for making this wonderful contact and communicate and share and keeping the network busy always, and so that highly productive and effective. We will try to get one more. Yes, some of the participants mentioned that we will try to keep one more. Anyway, thank you very much. I'm really happy, and wish you good luck, everybody. And thank all the participants. Wish you good luck. Thank you. And we can conclude with your final. We can conclude with your final comments.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, at the outset, I record my sincere thanks to AICTE, because they have given the permission and they have funded for this very nice and innovative FDP program to the participants throughout the country. Then another the important session, I thank all my faculty members. because the faculty members have worked very nicely for conducting this program at this level, that so that the program has reached the level we expected. I take this opportunity to thank the entire university administration, the authorities of the university, Vice Chancellor, Registrar, Finance Officer, and other administrative heads. They helped a lot to conduct this very innovative program. And I thank all my office people, and I thank all the research scholars. They have done a very good job for conducting this program and to take care of the administrative aspects of this program. So I thank all the resource persons. So we have given the specific titles to them, and based on the title they have prepared well, and they did a very good exercise, and their PowerPoint presentation was innovative, and PowerPoint presentation was very nice to learn. So learning outcome of this FDP is excellent. I thank all the participants, because the registration was completed 5 days back. Before that is 26th we started, but registration completed on 20 or 21st full. So it shows the encouraging response on the part of the participants. And participants' attendance also. So throughout the session, morning to evening, they attended well, they supported well, they interacted well with all the resource persons. Resource persons were happy to interact with the participants. The participants' response was very good and excellent. And I take this opportunity to thank all the supporters of this program. I thank all the resource persons, all the participants, the organizers, Ganapati, Dr. Ganapati, Group 1D, they served as the organizers, and all our members, Dr. Nedumaran, Dr. Vinayakamurthy, and Dr. Menaga and Dr. Kanagavalli, the entire, we are 7 members are in the department. All the 7 members, they have contributed their might for the success of this activity. I thank all the professors of our department, and once again I thank Chennai and the AICTE and the AICTE director. As and when we contact, we provided the response for our queries. Thank you one and all. Thank you one and all. Thank you for all the supporters. Thank you. Best wishes. God bless you. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you too.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Yes. God bless you.